coaches often play an integral role in delivering a variety of professional learning opportunities for educators. These may include formal workshops or trainings, coaching sessions, and collaboration with PLCs, as well as informal learning opportunities that may occur on the spur of the moment. While most coaches are comfortable with their role facilitating professional learning, coaches should also play a part in the school and division leadership teams that determine professional learning needs. It may be fun to share the latest and greatest tool we learned at a workshop or conference. Because professional learning opportunities are limited, they should really be strategically planned as well to help all staff meet goals in school innovation and improvement plans. In order to support this alignment, coaches should be involved in determining professional learning to support these plans. School planning teams can engage in needs assessments to help determine school improvement goals and potential professional learning opportunities to support them. Yes, student achievement data is important, but it's not the sole indicator for determining professional learning goals. Developing these goals should also provide an opportunity for teachers and other staff to provide input on their own needs. This can occur during surveys, interviews, or collaboration during PLCs or other teacher meetings. As you review resources in the Module 5 companion document, determine how they support the role of coaches. Consider the action steps you can take and the evidence you can collect to demonstrate your role in the creation and facilitation of professional learning opportunities for educators. Many of these resources and their associated tasks can be found in the FCPS on SBITS Toolkit. The toolkit is too extensive to complete in about an hour, but you may want to refer to it for additional resources or tasks to meet your learning goals to demonstrate the standard.